Welcome back to another epic showdown by Smart Family. Today, we put two tech titans head-to-head, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G and the Samsung Galaxy S22. Let's dive in and see which one deserves your love and your money. First up, let's talk about the price. The S21 Ultra 5G comes with a hefty price tag of $1,399. Reviewers appreciate its premium features but often mention the high cost as a deterrent. Meanwhile, the S22 is more budget-friendly at $379, making it a popular choice for those looking for value for money. If your wallet is on a diet, the S22 is already winning. Next, let's move on to the display. The S21 Ultra 5G boasts a massive 6.8-inch screen with 1,440 by 3,200 pixels resolution, offering an IMAX-like experience. Reviewers rave about its vibrant display and immersive quality. On the other hand, the S22 has a 6.1-inch screen with 1,080 by 2,340 pixels resolution, providing a cozy home theater feel. Both have dynamic AMOLED 2X and 120 Hz refresh rates. But if size and resolution matter to you, the S21 Ultra 5G takes the cake. However, many users find the S22's display perfectly adequate for everyday use. Time to talk performance. The S21 Ultra 5G comes with 12 GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 888 processor, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and gaming. Reviewers are impressed by its speed and efficiency. The S22, with 8 GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, is no slouch either. It's reliable for everyday tasks and offers smooth performance, but might not satisfy hardcore users. If you're juggling multiple apps or gaming, the S21 Ultra 5G is your go-to. For regular use, the S22 is more than capable. Now, on to the camera showdown. The S21 Ultra 5G features a 108 megapixels rear camera with multiple lenses, praised by users for its professional quality photos. If you're an Instagram influencer or a photography enthusiast, this is your dream phone. The S22 comes with a 50MP camera, which reviewers find excellent for casual photography. It captures great photos, but may not offer the same level of detail as the S21 Ultra 5G. For everyday snapshots, the S22 is fantastic, but for high-end photography, the S21 Ultra 5G is unbeatable. Finally, let's talk battery life. The S21 Ultra 5G has a 5,000 mAh battery, which reviewers love for its longevity, often lasting a full day with heavy use. The S22 has a 3,700 mAh battery, which is decent but might require a midday top-up for heavy users. If you're always on the go and need a phone that won't quit on you, the S21 Ultra 5G is the way to go. For moderate use, the S22 should suffice. Overall, both the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G and the Samsung Galaxy S22 have received positive feedback from users. The S21 Ultra 5G is praised for its superior display, powerful performance, and professional-grade camera, though its high price is a common point of contention. The S22 is appreciated for its affordability, reliable performance, and adequate camera quality, making it a great value option. So there you have it, folks. The S21 Ultra 5G is the heavyweight champ with all the bells and whistles, but it comes at a premium price. The S22, on the other hand, is the scrappy underdog that offers great value for money. Which one should you buy? Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.